We are at Yellowstone Hot Springs. Wow.
Because I can see your head being short, yeah. So, the first one you guys rolled it on and long. Just closing my eyes.
Hi.
That's what I always tell
No,
myself.
I don't want it.
Just put it up, sir.
Oops. What are you gonna say about this place?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Too
I
many
like
people.
it. No.
There's more than us. It's too many people.
Okay. I like it.
Yeah,
It's pretty.
it is. Yeah. Trying to avoid the cameras.
What?
I don't know.
Come. Arte. Wait, is it even recording? Oh, it is. It's nice and warm. Nice view here. Very pretty. We'll have to come back here again. So this is our room. Doon banda, meron akong mga halaman. Dito banda sa side ko, meron akong mga plants. Sometimes, most of the time nilalagay ko sila sa bintana. We have more plants there. Just so my room or our room looks more homey. Lagay yan dyan. Ako lang gumawa nito. That's just basyo ng soda. Tapos kumuha ako ng mga plants. Yung plants na yan. The real plants. Hindi pa ako naglilinis. So, that's why marumi pa yung medyo unorganized ang mga gamit. Ito, dito si Nining, yung pusa namin, si Gray. Oh yeah. Ito pa, meron pa akong mga plants dito. That's lemon. Ano yan? Myers lemon. Another lemon. Iuwi ko yan kay mama. Ito pa. Kinuha ko lang yung buto, tapos tinanim ko siya. So, tumubo. Ito, apple. Kinuha ko rin yan doon nung kumain ako ng apple sa EDR. Tapos, tumubo siya. Ayan. Myers lemon tree. Tapos, ito closet. We try to be organized. Marami kaming gamit, marami kaming mga ek-ek, marami kaming basura or what. Tapos dito, meron kaming fridge. Dito, meron kaming refrigerator na maliit. Functional naman siya, so it's okay. Ito, meron kaming microwave. Tapos meron kami rito bookshelf na ginawa naming lalagyan ng mga ek-ek namin para organize. To make it more homey. Tapos yan, that's shoe rack. Ito, meron kami dyan. Ito yung mga lemon na dinadala ko rito sa bahay from the EDR. Tapos tinanim ko lang siya. Ayun, okay naman. Tumubo. Tapos, organize ko naman to. Yung mga So, yeah. Lagyan ng mga mga snacks, mga pagkakain kami rito sa loob. Hindi na kami kakain sa EDR. Because we don't like to go to the EDR. Sometimes yung pagkain nila hindi masarap. Meron din kami ditong coffee maker. Tapos, yan, asukal. Yan. Meron pang yan mga gamit na para malaman naman namin kung nasa ng mga gamit. Hindi kami halukay ng halukay. Yan. Yan yung pusa kong makulit. Say hi. Say meow. Yan si Gray. Kulit na pusa. Gusto lumabas. Gusto lumabas. Hindi pwedeng lumabas, mawawala ka dun. Tapos, ito yung banyo namin. We have our own bathroom. Yan. And then, meron kaming mga ginawa kong this is a shoe rack na ginawa kong pang-organize ng mga gamit. Tapos, meron din kaming bathtub. We have shower. Yan, ganyan. O, diba? So, that's why dito kami nakatira sa Yellowstone right now. Kailangan ko palinisin yan. Sometimes dito ako nagluluto. Meron akong electric skillet. Nilalagyan ko siya ng takip dyan. Tatakpan ko yan. Tapos, meron akong electric skillet na sinasaksak ko dito. Tapos, meron din akong rice cooker right here. Sometimes, nagkukook ako ng Filipino food, like adobo, ganyan. Ano kaya? Fried eggs. Yun. Tapos, meron kami, dito yung, ni Jason, yung computer niya for his game. Oh. That's where we get our gas most of the time. And this is where we eat. At Subway sometimes when we're tired of the EDR food.